Hello everyone, I want to show you guys a great Web 2.0 tool for reviewing terms or anything in a game format. It's called Gimkit. And I'm going to show you first how to create a Gimkit, then we'll go into kind of how to play it with students. So first thing you want to go over here is add new kit. Once you do that, give it a name. We'll call this one Government Terms, English, Social Studies, that's what I'm a part of. So I'll create the kit and then we'll just give it a picture that looks something government. Perfect. Now you can add it in question by question like any typical Web 2.0 tool, quizzes, Quizlet, Kahoot, anything like that. But this one has something interesting. You can create it with flashcards. And something you can do is you can import flashcards. I find the easiest way to import flashcards is from pre-made Quizlet sets that I've already made. So I come up to my Quizlet site. I've made a government terms Quizlet already, and that's what my Gimkit's going to review. So I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to choose on these three dots, print. And it's going to pull up this list of terms. Then I'm going to highlight the terms. I'll copy them. Then I'm going to paste them into this set. And I find it, if you have the numbers in there, instead of getting rid of the numbers, if you just flip the term and definition, everything will work out fine. And then you click create, and boom, we have a Gimkit set. And then it gives you definition, and they have to determine what is the correct term that goes along with that definition. And you see this little box here, that's just a picture that for some reason they think came over. If you just open it up, click on the picture, click remove image, save, it gets rid of that fake image for you. That's how you create a Gimkit. Now let's go over how you play. So back here on your home screen, you go over to play live on whichever Gimkit you want to use. So we'll click play live. And then it's going to give you options for how you want to set the game up. So you can do classic, where each student's on their own, or you can have them team up together. There's different versions. All in, all teams, all players try to earn as much money as they can, and once the whole class earns whatever dollar amount you set forth, then the game's over. You can do a race to the individual with this amount of money you set forth, or you can just say, hey, once this time's over, we're all done, and whoever has the most money ends up winning. So we'll just say, we'll do time, we'll say 5 minutes, and they'll just keep going. You can start students off with $0, or you can start them off with $100, let's say, so they can buy stuff. And I'll show you things that they can buy. You can answer check, so students, after answering it incorrectly, get that feedback. They can correct themselves. And then there's clapping, things like that, joining late. But there are power-ups that students can purchase that make the game more interesting for them. So we're going to start the game here in a second. So to start the game, you're just going to press continue. And it's going to give you a game code like anything else. So I'm going to show you guys what the students see. So 95687. So students are going to come in here. Then they'll put in a name, and you can make sure that they use their real names. Once they join, just like any of these other games, Quizlet, Kahoot, things like that, you're actually going to see their name. And whenever everybody has logged in, you're going to click Start Game. So students can come already in here, and they can click on this to make sure they see everything right away. So we're just going to start the game with me in there. So you have students here on the side, and you can see how much money students have earned so far, and you can actually give students money or take students' money away or freeze them if you want. So we'll just give myself some money. Come over here. They are going to answer the question, and then they can do things. They can buy some things. So let's click shop, and then they can actually buy something to multiply the amount of money they get per question. So awesome, we earn more money. So they answer another question, they can actually shop for other things, and they can shop for power-ups. These power-ups can help themselves out, or they can hurt other students. That's kind of how the game is played. It's really fun. Let me know if you guys have any questions.